Welcome to Ratchet and Clank Crack in Time Part 1. Let's start. We're going to go on easy. The light will be like this.
My son? Remarkable boy. Quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solana galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank. Zoe are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits? Sire is not member. You must fix. Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sister board scan.
Alright, let's see. Favorite colors green, favorite numbers 83 billion and 4.7. Blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. New safeguard activated.
No! Locked out again! Get in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the Orbis chamber. No Orbis chamber. Your soundiness. If we could take but a peek at the chamber. No Orbis chamber. Chamber is for Sire only. Very well. And I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
Hypersonic brainwave scrambler!
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
He's awake! Stop him!
Oh no, you won't stop him, Nefarious, this time. Let's get it on the beat. That is the sea.
What are you going
It's much farther away as you are, Nefarious. When I first saw this vision, I was, whoa, this game must be awesome. And it was.
Good. You're safe for now. Reset the locks and shine the source.
What is Dr. Nefarious doing here?
I'll explain everything as soon as you're safe, sir. But right now, we need to calibrate your ocular response processes. Try looking at the ocular scanner on your left. Good. Okay, now we've got it. All right, look at the scanner above you. Good. Now, there's one more beneath you. Got it! You're recalibrated. Now, keep moving. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
Breach detected in sector 6.
Okay, so
Dispatching time clearance.
this first level is pretty cool because look at it's original. It's like, whoa, they made the game like future.
The registry shows that the number of Zoe has dwindled from 117,000.
See, there's a golden ball. You get it in some other levels. Yeah, you were kidding about not killing us.
It's a perfectly logical explanation for that.
I know the time stops. It's a time period which stops in the middle of this time period.
Let's go, sir. They belong to Dr. Nefarious.
Okay, let's go. Oh, we can fix that.
Hurry up, sir. Use your helipad. They're on their way, sir. You have to move.
Okay, this first level is kind of pretty easy, but if I get killed, that's not very good. Because I'm not very trying well. And if I get killed, I'm easy. I know that I'm not the best player in the world, which I thought I was.
They're right on your tail. Get cover, sir. I have an idea. I'm going to put the hypersonic brainwave scrambler into the room. Hurry, before the energy dissipates. Good job, sir. Now keep moving.
Temporal catastrophe detected in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shut up, Nefarious.
Oh no! This is terrible! All of Marcus's work ruined! I can't believe I let this happen!
We've located the caretaker's signal. He's in the Sector 1 room closet.
Yeah, you get the skill point. If you do exactly like I did, of course. Yeah.
Sir, they've locked me in! Keep moving and don't let them anywhere near the chamber!
Block integrity critical. Warning. Paradox prevention protocol.
Go ahead! Jump!
Dr. Nefarious, I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it? This is your home! The Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence and constructed in the exact center of the universe! Give or take 50 feet.
I am curious. What lie did you tell the Zoni in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance? You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance? They say I'm egomaniacal. Let's just say it's all in the past. Lawrence!
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
Shall I prepare the mnemonic station again?
No, I have a better idea.
But, sir...
Patience, Lawrence. We have all the time in the universe.
Ratchet. Oh, cracking time. That was part 1 for you.